So, everyone, my name is Divino Santo, and my topic for today is all about the experience of the Athens earthquake. So, the Athens earthquake occurred on September 7, 1999 at 14 hours, 6 minutes, and 51 seconds local time near Mount Carnittan in Greece, with a moment magnitude of 6.0 and a maximum intensity of 9. So, ang sugod din ng earthquake na Athens is September 7, 1999. At sa oras po niya is 14 hours, so 6 minutes, 1 seconds. So, that open niya siya is 2, 2 hours and 56 minutes. So, the proximity to the Athens metropolitan area result in widespread structural damage, mainly to the nearby suburbs of Andalusia, Achanes, Eflai, Trachomakilimos, Ephesia, Metamorphose, Camatero, and near Philadelphia. More than 100 buildings, include three major factories across those areas, collapsed, trapping scores of victims under their rubble, while dozens more were severe damage. The damage estimated at 3 to 4.2 billion, and 143 people were killed, and up to 1,600 were treated for injuries in Greece, deadliest natural disaster in almost half a century. So, grabe no, na daghan kay naapektuhan po dahil nga kuan dili in the Greece kan sa kuan damay nga literal po. So, mo to include sa mga buildings so, mga importante nga mga factories na igo jud apektuhan jud no. Ang damage ko sa damage is 3 to 4 billion US dollar. So, dako-dako na po siya. And ang namatay nga tao po is 143 people, no? And 1,600 ang trip pag tambalan pa. So, siya Greece is a seismically active country located in a complex zone of interaction of the African, Eurasian, Aegean Sea, and Anatolian plates. Southern Greece itself is located on the Aegean Sea plate. The Anatolian plate is moving southwest into to the Aegean Sea plate at a rate of 3 cm per year relative to the Eurasian plate. Meanwhile, the African plate subduction beneath the Aegean Sea plate at rate of 4 cm per year along the helix subduction zone. So, kita mo sa picture no, mo ni siya nga kuan jud kaya isa sa igo sa lang grabe nga magnitude nga intense magnitude. So, ang isa po ang Greece today nga country nga may jud sa kuan sa disaster nga earthquake no. So, 1999 quake was the most devastating and constantly natural disaster to hit the country in nearly 20 years. The last major earthquake to hit Athens took place on February 24, 1989, near the Archonides island of the Corinthian Gulf, some 87 kilometers to the west of Greek capital, registering a moment of magnitude of 6.7. The, the 1981 earthquake had resulted in the deaths of 20 people and considerable and widespread structural damage in the city of Kornet, nearby towns and section at Athens western Cyprus. So, dili ko Athens sa mga paano dagdag kay quick kan kasi rin 24 na po day kuan tabo sa la quick food no o 1981 na tabo. So, mas sugsug yun ang kuan tabo sa dito kapital 6.7 nga magnitude yun. So di kayo tubig. So apart from the proximity of the city center of the Athens metropolitan area, this quake also featured a shallow hypocenter combined with an unusual high ground acceleration. Unexpected heavy damage also affected the town of Adams, Adamis, the Acropolis of Athens, and the rest of the city. Famous ancient monuments escaped the disaster either totally unharmed or suffering only minor damage. A landslide as well as a severe fissures were reported along the road leading to the peak of Mount Vanity, and minor damage are also reported to the water and waste network close to the epicenter. So, mga sa to, gina-report today nila og unsay nga ngitabo sa mga uban-uban nga kuan na ning atin sa earthquake. Yung magnitude, gina-report og nila og ako ba'y lain din apektuhan nga kuan sila nga kuan sa mga pa'y matambal makakuanan ng mga minor damage nila ba mawala dito yung mga tao dito nagtambay dito sa mga building. So, on September 17, an earthquake struck the city of Athens. IDF sent delegation to Athens to participate in joint action with Swiss and search and rescue teams. This quake needed heavy engineering tools provided by the Israel delegation. As this helped the rescue team to work quickly and efficiently. The President of Greece thanked Israel for leaving the problems back to to come and home help us with ours. So ang Canadian IDF or Israel Defense Force nag-one sila dito, no? Nag-join din sila. Bangan din nila ang Greece from one. Hindi na po ng Israel with also Swiss and French sa rescue team, no? Dagan-dagan tuloy tabang sila nga kuan mga lahing nasod. So, pasalamat sa presidente nga sa Greece. Abangan sila mga kuan para makuha sa mga bato na natag, mga infrastructure nga naguba, tanggal din to. So, tik sila. The tremor took place less than a month after a Turkish disaster, which has much larger in scale. This succession of earthquakes and mutual help both countries gave rise to talk about what became known as Turkish earthquake diplomacy. In hopes for a breakout in bilateral relations, which had been marred by decades of hostility, Turkey reciprocated the aid rendered by Greece immediately following the August 17, 1999 Turkish earthquake. A special task force was formed, consisting of the Undersecretary of Prime Minister, the Turkish Armed Force, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, and of Internal Affairs of the Greek Embassy in Jakarta was contacted. The Turkish aid was the first to arrive in affected areas, with the first 20 rescue team arriving in Athens within 13 hours after the earthquake struck. So the Greek consulate and embassy in Turkey had their phone lines jammed to Turkish citizens offering the blood donation. So, diyaw kayo ang kuan. Greek po nga ambasador nga nangontak ko din sila sa kuan. Kamatabangan din nila nga may tabo ito sa mga earthquake nga magnitude dito sa Greece. Kuan. Sila nga lugar. 20 rescue team na lang gipa-oriented. So, 20 hours na abot din sila. Kamatabangan dito nila. Ang mga kayahan na kuan. Ang kabangan. Kaya para dili na mong dako ilang kuan. And ang Turkish citizen is nag-offer to sila blood donation, no? kay para kay kasi kung na mga kuan dito mga na nakuyawan sa bato na kuanan mo trauma bato sila mo ata mo sila tabang sila so that's it for the end of my report and thank you. So kani pud nga report no kay mas kuya pud kay siya sa basta kuan pero mas ako di mas sugyo ko nga lilog nga makuan sila kay tuon gud sila nga area kanang sugyo sila nga di linog gud sila nga kuan method ligo nga lugar dili sa schedule kay nga lugar sige dapat mo kuan sila ka dapat building nila mga ligon di kayo so that's it and thank you.